It's a 6x6 that I converted to a 10x10 by putting some dually wheels on the back. The tires are from Next Racing, which is some very soft tires, including the foam that I put in there. It's from Nova. I changed the shocks to some Injora shocks. Of course, I had to get 2 packs just to get 6. And put the Furitek system in it as well, which is a really nice system. It's a strong motor, very strong motor. And I had a Lizard Pro ESC. The only issue that I would say that you guys will have if once you do a upgrade to your motor is the gears. I just stripped my gears in the rear. My gears in the front is good. It's just the rear that I have some issues with.
You upgraded these also?
Yeah, I also upgraded the drive shaft.
Who make that drive shaft?
You'll see Trail.
Oh, it's Trail. Okay, I didn't know
Yep.
Trail made that. Okay.
Which they don't make it for the Axis. I mean the
Atlas. Yeah.
Atlas. So I use the Jeep front, and this rear is from the Deadbolt.
That's a Jeep. I thought that was a.
Yep.
What you call it?
Yeah, that's the Jeep front, and the rear is from the Deadbolt. I haven't did this one yet. This one here is still stock.
Okay.
So
nice. Appreciate you bringing it out, showing it to us. We're gonna get some more footage of it pretty soon. You had that piece also, right?
yeah, it's just a little tow hook.
That's pretty cool.
A little printed tow
Oh, you even
hook.
did the wheels on the back.
Yeah,
Next Racing.
Yep, Next Racing tires.
Pretty cool. Thanks, Josh, for showing it to us. Got more video coming soon, guys.